Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to sneeze. So, oftentimes when you do this, you're going to want a tissue, like this. You'll know when you need to sneeze because you'll start feeling something in the back of your nose. That means that you should get the tissue, soon. Then, what you have to do is put the tissue up to your nose like this. Most of the time, you'll sneeze automatically and won't have to worry about it. But if you don't, then here are some tips to make it happen. You can breathe really hard out of your nose like this. Except into the tissue. Oftentimes you need to squeeze the sides of your nose a bit. It'll make it easier. And then you can sneeze. Anyway, I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials.